Ever wondered what jobs would be available in a couple of years? Even as you find the computer industry mutating faster than you think? And ever dared to dream? What if the dreams were to come true? What if the computer world and your dreams were to fetch you your next career and loads of money too? That is the topic for this Saturday, friends. While gaming industry offers some great business opportunities and future job roles in game development, publishing, marketing, esports, or electronic sports, a form of competition using video games, creating games offers interesting careers. Technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, cloud gaming, smartphones, and 5G are actually defining and redefining the current career opportunities and career paths. Now for the dreams part. Suppose we create a fictional dream weaver, a narrative-driven puzzle adventure game where players enter the dreams of various characters to solve complex puzzles that influence their real-world lives. As one plays the game intuitively, problem solving, critical thinking, exploration is encouraged. Next, let's combine Dreamweaver with a future career. To start with, each level is set in a unique dream-inspired world that reflects the inner psyche or of the character whose dream is sought to be portrayed. Now the dreamscapes are surreal, not real, with changing environments that change players' perception and adaptability. Then puzzles are designed around the theme of dream logic, requiring players to think outside the box. This includes manipulating the environment, shifting perspectives, and using dream-specific tools that have unique effects. The environment in each dreamscape changes dynamically based on player actions and decisions, requiring adaptive thinking and creativity to solving puzzles. Players, of course, must use tools such as memory threads to alter elements of the dreams, imagination orbs to create or destroy objects, and perspective shifters to change the scale and viewpoint of the environment. Suppose you also tie, each dreamscape to your own backstory with the puzzles reflecting your personal struggles, desires, and growth. You are beginning to realize your dreams, while others play and of course pay as well. Solving puzzles will reveal more about your own life and helps overcome real world issues. Now the money part. Release engaging teasers and trailers showcasing the unique dreamscapes and innovative mechanics. Beta testing follows. Partner with influencers and content creators to reach a wider audience, offering the base game with a one-time purchase and providing additional content through expansions or DLCs will get you loads of money, including cosmetic items or customization options that do not affect gameplay balance but allow players to personalize their experience. This will get you additional moolah. Implementing a marketplace where players can sell or trade their created puzzles and dreamscapes will generate revenue for the players as well. No wonder the global gaming market is estimated to be worth $250 billion in 2024 last year and will rise to almost $400 billion in another 4 years' time, 2030. So that done, wondered how many new job roles you have created in this gaming industry, an industry that now represents one of the largest entertainment markets globally, surpassing even the film and music industries in revenue. This dynamic and innovative field offers a plethora of career opportunities. First, the game architects. They design and build the games, working on everything from game mechanics and level design to graphics and sound. But before them, game writers create compelling stories, narratives, and the dialogues. While the game designer focuses on creative aspects such as gameplay, storyline, and character development, the game programmer writes the code that powers the game, working on the technical side to ensure smooth gameplay. Even as the game artist creates visual elements, including character models, environments, and animations. Of course, there are extremely helpful tools available now on the GitHub or maybe the ChatGPT tools, the OpenAI tools that are available. Now, once all this happens, the game sound designer develops audio elements like sound effects, music, and dialogue. Then the game producer oversees the entire development process of a game, then manages the budgets, manages the schedules, and coordinates between different departments, ensuring meeting deadlines and quality standards, which is extremely important. Then the software testers, or the QA specialists as they are called, they identify the bugs, rigorously test the game to find issues related to functionality, performance, and user experience, and provide feedback to developers for improvement. Further, the marketing and PR professionals do the promotion, create marketing strategies, manage social media accounts, organize events, and work on promotional materials. With the rise of competitive gaming, esports offers another viable career path. Professional gamers, coaches, and analysts compete in tournaments and leagues, while organizations and teams manage and support these players. Content creators, including game streamers on platforms like Twitch and YouTube, build audiences by sharing their gameplay experiences, reviews, and commentary. Successful content creators monetize their channels through ads, sponsorships, and viewer documentation, and viewer donations as well. Friends, what then the universities must do? Literally play the game, research, focus on advancing the field of game design and development, teach the next generation of game developers, and explore new technologies and methodologies in gaming. So it's a huge opportunity for the universities as well. What is required of you as a student, as a professional, and so on? A degree in computer science, game design, or a related field is beneficial, though not always necessary. For technical roles, of course, proficiency in programming languages like C++, C#, or Python, they're very crucial. For artists' roles, skills in softwares like Adobe Creative Studio 3D or 3D modeling tools, they're all important. While online courses, certifications, and boot camps focused on game development provide practical skills and industry knowledge, adopting platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and some specialized game development schools will prove useful. So friends, I've given you some alternative professional leads. Hope you will take them. With that, I come to an end on this Saturday's episode. Dhanyawad, thank you, and namaskar.